how to create stunning pastel. Come with me as we go into tutorial. In this video, I explain and teach how to create stunning artwork like this, and to also encourage you and probably to spark your brain to become that which you want to become, and take your art to the next level. Artwork like this took me time. Some of them took me like 2 days to weeks to create artwork like this. So on here, I explain and teach how to create artwork like this. So come with me as we go deeply into the tutorial. Here I give you the more information about artwork like this. So it took me like 2 to 4 days to create stunning artwork like this. So come with me as we create the artwork, and continue to watch till the end, so that with these little tips can help you. There's no knowledge is wasted. So with these little tips can help you, learn one or two things that you can apply on your work and all of that. And another thing that I can still tell you is that you just need to start something. It's like you want to be rich. So if you want to be rich, what's stopping you? Man, you gotta start how to become rich. Because if you tell your man, dang, I want to be rich, probably your mom is gonna tell you, hey, go look for a job and start working so you become rich, of which that job can't even give you that money that you're looking at, right? Yeah. And again, probably God have given you the idea, the knowledge that you have, that maybe your mom don't have, well, any of your relation don't even have, and you don't even understand what you mean, that you want to be rich, you get. So that idea that is in your head, that same thing that is gonna make you who you want to be. You know what I'm saying? So probably, it's like me. When I was coming up, I discovered I had the talent. All that comes to my mind, I don't care about none of it. I don't care about none of that, or what other people think. Alright? Yeah, I just want to become an artist and do my thing. So that is how I started. So it was really, really difficult for me. But today, people are giving me credit or something like this. That, man, damn, you're really, really good. Your artwork, stuff like that, man. Telling me a whole lot of things that it's really, really it's good. So, like I said, I'm just here to spark your brain to become that which you want to be. If really, really you want to become an artist, you choose art as your career, and you really want to succeed, I encourage you to start today. Start creating. All you do is just fall in love with your art, do your best, try to do all that you can, keep breaking boundaries, keep pushing every day. Because I really understand, like, starting artwork or try to be an artist is not really, really easy. You know, Material things and all of that, and whatever you can do, man, just start your journey today. You know what I'm saying? So I may not support you physically with your financial stuff like that, but with these little tips that I'm showing here, I'm explaining, it's gonna help you and take your art to the next level. If it's the first time coming across this channel or page, do well to subscribe and stay tuned for more art tutorial, tips here. You're welcome, and you can ask me questions in the comment section. Things if you want to know, I can explain to you. You know what I'm saying? So let's keep pushing. So that's what's up. So, and I strongly believe that today you have learned something. Continue. Today you have learned something. So I'll continue dropping more tutorials. So stay tuned for more apps like this. So if I have anybody that is interested in learning, uh, you know, you can refer them or connect them, invite them to follow the channel for more house tips, stuff like that. So I hope you enjoy today tutorial or the lesson, whatever it is, just to encourage you to keep doing your best. Whatever you start and you do it with your whole heart, definitely you're gonna see results. So just keep doing your thing. Keep doing your thing. So as you can see on this word, this is just the finishing touches. See you in my next video. Have a